Hey developers, welcome to Devcovery. Today, we're bringing you the hottest open source projects trending on GitHub, so you don't miss any tech developments worth your attention.
Today, we're taking a deep dive into a trending project on GitHub, Vision Agents. Imagine building powerful AI that can see and react to video in real time. This project from GetStream makes that a reality, allowing you to quickly create vision agents with any model while delivering ultra-low latency performance. What if an AI could not only think, but also see and hear in real time? And what if it could respond with less delay than a human video call? A new open-source project is turning this idea into a practical reality for developers. It's not just another AI model. It's a framework promising to give our applications eyes and ears with a latency under 30 milliseconds. That's a bold claim, so let's take a closer look. The project is called Vision Agents. It comes from GetStream, a company known for its API-driven chat and feed technologies. Vision Agents provides the building blocks to create intelligent, multimodal AI agents that can watch, listen, and understand video streams in real time. The project has gained serious traction, amassing over 5,700 stars on GitHub and recently growing by more than 270 stars per day. This level of interest shows it's addressing a huge need in the developer community. Building an application where an AI interacts through live video and audio is a massive challenge. Developers usually have to stitch together separate systems for video streaming, voice recognition, AI reasoning, and voice synthesis. The biggest hurdle is latency. By the time video is sent to the cloud, processed by a large model, and a response is sent back, the interaction feels sluggish and unnatural. Past solutions were often proprietary, locking developers into a single vendor, or they were a patchwork of libraries that were a nightmare to integrate and maintain. Vision Agents tackles this head-on by providing a unified, open framework designed from the ground up for extremely low-latency, multimodal interaction. At its heart, Vision Agents operates like an AI's central nervous system, built on a modular, event-driven pipeline. The foundation is its transport layer. This uses technologies like WebRTC to establish an ultra-low latency video and audio connection, often leveraging GetStream's global edge network. This ensures data gets to the AI's brain as fast as possible. But the real magic is in its hybrid model processing. The framework doesn't just send a raw video feed to a massive, slow AI model. Instead, it uses a processor pipeline. This means a developer can run a fast, specialized model like YOLO for object or pose detection directly on the video stream first. This lightweight model acts like the AI's peripheral vision, quickly identifying key events. Only when something important is detected does it trigger a more powerful but slower large language model like Gemini or OpenAI for deeper understanding and response generation. This layered approach is incredibly efficient, perfectly balancing speed with intelligence. Finally, the framework's design is highly extensible. It uses a strategy pattern, making components for speech to text, text to speech, and language models all pluggable. This allows developers to mix and match services from dozens of providers like DeepGram, 11 Labs, or Anthropic without being locked into a single ecosystem. So what does this look like in the real world? Imagine an AI-powered golf coach. A developer could use Vision Agents to build an app where the AI watches your swing through your phone's camera. A YOLO processor tracks your posture in real time, and a Gemini model provides instant verbal feedback on your form. The latency is so low, it feels like a live coach is right there with you. Another powerful example is a smart security system. The agent can continuously monitor a camera feed using a lightweight model to detect packages. If a package is detected and then disappears while an unrecognized person is in the frame, the agent can use a large vision model to generate a wanted poster with the person's image and automatically send an alert. For developers, getting started is surprisingly simple. The project can be installed with a single command. The API is designed to build a complete agent in just a few lines of Python code, hiding all the underlying complexity of real-time media processing. Developers in the community are praising Vision Agents for its plug-and-play architecture. The ability to swap between different AI models from OpenAI, Google, or RoboFlow without major code changes is a huge advantage, dramatically lowering the cost and time for experimentation. However, the feedback isn't all praise. Developers are pointing out current limitations. Even the most advanced real-time models struggle with fast-moving action, like tracking a ball in a soccer match. They can also lose context over longer video durations. And reading small text within a video frame remains a significant challenge for today's vision AIs. While vision agents dramatically lowers the barrier to entry, it also introduces a new layer of complexity. Its greatest strength, the vast number of third-party integrations, is also a potential weakness. Maintaining compatibility with dozens of rapidly evolving AI APIs will be a monumental task for the GetStream team. For developers, diagnosing performance bottlenecks across a chain of services from different vendors can be a real headache. Furthermore, the cost of running real-time video analysis through multiple cloud APIs can be unpredictable and potentially very high. The framework provides the tools, but it doesn't pay the bills. That responsibility of cost management falls squarely on the developer. In the end, Vision Agents isn't a new AI model. It's a critical piece of infrastructure. It's the chassis and the wiring that allows developers to assemble a high-performance, multimodal AI agent from the best available parts. It democratizes the creation of a whole new class of applications that can see, hear, and react in human time. For any developer looking to build the next generation of interactive experiences, this project is a powerful accelerator that is absolutely worth paying attention to.
That's all for today's Devcovery. We hope these GitHub trending projects spark some inspiration for your development work. You can find all the repos mentioned in the description below. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you tomorrow at the same time.